Hi everyone, and welcome to another Sunday practice. This breathwork pranayama session can be practiced every morning for the next week to feel refreshed, rejuvenated, and awake. We'll move through 2 rounds of Kapalabhati, followed by 1 round of Bhastrika, and then a few cooling rounds of Sheetkari, each supported by gentle breath retentions. So find a comfortable seated position wherever you feel grounded with a tall but soft spine. You can sit on a cushion, a chair, or directly on the floor. And in that space, just relax the face, unclench your jaw, relax the shoulders away from the ears, chin parallel to the ground. Let your hands rest on your thighs or on your knees with the palms relaxed. And close your eyes or soften the gaze. And begin to notice your breath. Not needing to change it just yet, just feeling it move, letting it anchor you here. And now gently bring your awareness inward and maybe ask yourself, how do I want to feel today? How do I want this week to unfold? Not a to-do list, just a feeling. It may be refreshed, calm, clear, awake. Whatever it is, let that intention sit softly in your body without pressure. Now let's clear out any initial heaviness or fog with some cleansing breaths. Inhale through the nose, fill up from the belly, up into the ribs, up into the chest. And exhale through the mouth, let out a deep audible sigh, the louder the better, as long as it feels natural and easy in your body. And again, inhale fresh morning air, and exhale, release. One more time, deep inhale from the belly, up into the ribs, up into the chest. And exhale, let it all go out the mouth. And just take a very short moment of stillness to land more deeply in this space. So let's begin with Kapalabhati, which literally translates to the skull shining breath, a cleansing technique to instantly refresh the body and mind. It's very active and energizing. So the inhale is passive and through the nose, and the exhale is sharp, short, and forceful through the nose, like snapping the belly in. If you're newer to this practice and want more in-depth instructions, there'll be a morning practice with a more in-depth tutorial and awareness around the contraindications linked in the description box down below. So let's start. Sit tall, chin parallel to the ground, shoulders relaxed, the belly is soft. Hands in chin mudra on your knees, index and thumb touching, palms facing up. And we'll start with 30 pumps. So inhale deeply to begin, fill up your lungs, and follow my breath. And release. Let your breath return to its natural rhythm for a few moments. And now deep inhale in, fill up 3/4 of the chest, and hold the breath for 20 seconds, just feeling the stillness. If you feel any intense pressure or discomfort, gently let go before the time is up. And exhale it all out through the nose, softly. And let's go in for round 2 with 40 pumps. So inhale in, fill up the lungs, and begin. And release the breath. Let it return to its natural rhythm for a few breaths. And now inhale in, fill up 3/4 of the chest, and hold gently at the top for 25 seconds. Notice if you feel any sense of clarity in this space. And exhale gently. Now let's move into one round of Bhastrika. It's very similar to Kapalabhati, except the inhale is also forceful, like the exhale, and we're still only breathing through the nose. It's a very energizing breath, but in a slightly more grounded way as it's equal breathing. So we'll go in for 20 rounds. Before we begin, just check back in with your alignment. Still sat tall, chin parallel to the ground, shoulders relaxed, and hands in chin mudra on your knees. And from this space, inhale deeply from the belly and exhale fully to prepare. Now forceful inhale through the nose, abdomen pushes out, and forceful exhale through the nose, abdomen pushes in. And let's speed up. Just listen to my breath. And release. Let your breath return to its natural rhythm for a few moments. And again, inhale gently, fill up 3/4 of the chest and hold for 30 seconds. Lift through the crown, really feel tall and rejuvenated. And remember that if you feel any intense pressure or discomfort, gently let go before the time is up. And exhale, let it all go. Now let's cool the body after those heating techniques with a few rounds of Sheetkari, a cooling breath through gentle parted teeth. Slightly open and soften your lips and separate your teeth very slightly. Inhale through the teeth, feeling fresh, crisp air slide in like a refreshing minty scent. And then close the mouth and exhale gently through the nose. And again, inhale through the teeth fully but softly. And exhale through the nose fully but softly. We'll take a few more rounds, but do this one at your own pace, really listening to your natural rhythm. Enjoy the refreshment of these breaths, feeling them cool and cleanse you. A really simple and subtle way to revive the body and mind. and release the breath. Let it return to normal. Let everything settle. Feel the coolness in the body and notice any alertness in the mind. And come back to the intention you set at the beginning of the practice. Let it return slowly, hearing it like a whisper in the back of your mind. How do you want this day or this week to feel? And stay with it for a few moments of silence for integration. Now bring your palms together in prayer position in front of your heart and gently rub your palms together, rub, 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 feeling the warmth build between them, and gently cup your closed eyes with your hands. Let the warmth seep in your face and into your entire body, letting the warmth soothe you and ground you. And release the hands and slowly blink your eyes open back to this moment, seeing the world with fresh eyes. And from this space, just take a few intuitive stretches. Just let it all go. Stretch it out. Thank you so much for practicing this practice with me, and I'll see you next Sunday for another practice. If you enjoyed this practice, feel free to like this video, leave a comment down below on how it made you feel, and subscribe if you want to practice more.